If you have no idea is GetResponse good or bad for you, no worry guys, because today I will review everything of GetResponse software. At the end of video, you can easily understand what is GetResponse, what they can provide, GetResponse pros and cons, GetResponse pricing. Is GetResponse software perfect for you? And finally, I will show you how you can get discount. Hey everyone, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that will be help your business. Before watching our video, don't forget to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. So guys, let's dive in. When you log in your GetResponse account, they can move to this page. GetResponse provide powerful email marketing features. At the bottom of this page, left side, you can click this tool button. Can you see guys? They can provide contact list, email marketing, autoresponder, website builder, landing page, from and pop-up, from reports, e-commerce tool, automation tool, webinar, conversion funnel, paid ads, chats or push notification, webhook of contact, integration and API, and many more. You can easily create your contact list. If you have already created your contact list, you can just edit contact list with GetResponse. You can easily upload your email database one by one or upload a file. But if you have not any list, you can create your list. You can easily create your email newsletter with GetResponse. When you want to create a newsletter, you can click this newsletter button. Wait a few moments. You can choose where you can send this email. You can write your email subject line, the description, design and content. When you design your email newsletter, you click this design message button. They can provide many email newsletter. You can choose anyone, whatever you want. If you want to choose any template, you can just click use template button. You can easily create your header option and change this image. They can provide layout option. You can change your image. You can change your text, edit your button. You can also edit video. You can easily edit your social account link. With this email newsletter, you can edit your custom HTML. You can easily choose your background color, header, footer option. Easily change your, if you don't like this one, you can easily click this option and it easily delete. When you complete your email newsletter, before sending your email newsletter, you can check out this preview option, how this perform good or bad. You can check desktop button. Also you can check email newsletter mobile option, how your email newsletter is good or bad mobile capture. If you think your email newsletter is not good mobile area, you can easily delete any option whatever you want guys. Also you can easily check out spam check option, where this email is you find inbox or spam box. You can easily preview this option. Finally, when you create your email newsletter, you can save your email template and next button. If you want, you can choose blank template. You can create your email template 0 to scratch. You can choose your 1 column, 3 column, 2 column, whatever you want. Let I am choosing this black template. You can easily edit your logo in the head of the option. You can easily drag and drop your image, video. You can easily write any text, whatever you want. Also you can choose your background color. If you want, you can easily change your text size. Also if you don't use text, you can easily remove this button. If you want, you can easily edit your button for your any product link for your customer. You can easily edit your social share link with your email newsletter. GetResponse provide autoresponder. You can easily create your autoresponder email with GetResponse. You can easily set up your email, how many days you sending your clients, 3 days, 4 days, 7 days. If you want, you can easily send your welcome email, and next you can easily send your product link, whatever you want guys. They can provide website builder. If you want, you can easily create your website with GetResponse software. Also guys, they can provide a landing page. You can easily create your landing page with GetResponse. In this video, I don't show you how to create a landing page. In my next video, I will show you step by step how you can easily create landing page. They can provide powerful automation. You can easily create your automation with GetResponse. They can provide many template, welcome template, lead qualify, engagement and retention, post purchase, abandoned cart, online courses, webinar events, sales, promotion, affiliate marketing, import template, and many more. If you want, you can choose any template, whatever you want. Guys, I am choosing this template. It is no doubt, guys, GetResponse provide a powerful automation workflow. You can easily create your automation email with GetResponse. They can provide basic element, tag scoring, send message, custom field, move to list. They can provide a powerful chat option. They can provide 24-hour and 7-day customer support. They can provide integration option. You can easily connect your website integration app with GetResponse. GetResponse pros and cons. GetResponse pros. This software is very easy. You can easily handle this software. They can provide best customer service 24-hour and 7-day, 30-day free trial. If you want, you can choose any premium plan because they can provide 30-day free trial. They can provide a free plan. You can easily edit your 500 contact with this free plan. GetResponse provide a great webinar option. Functionality is awesome. You don't need a credit card required. Chat functionality is very good. GetResponse cons. All features are not provided for free plan. Drag and drop seem a little tricky. Automation email in a complex way. Phone support is not provided for free plan. This is the pros and cons GetResponse email marketing software. GetResponse pricing plan. They can provide a free plan. You can use this software completely free. This free plan you can use 500 contact, edit your list, email marketing. They can provide on website builder, connected domain, landing page, sign up and contact form. Let's see, guys, full pricing what they provide in GetResponse plan. If you want to choose this email marketing plan, you can pay monthly $19. They can provide unlimited newsletter, autoresponder, basic segmentation, website and landing page, sign up from and pop-up, integration and API. And when you choose marketing automation plan, you can pay $59. They can provide automation this plan: webinar, event-based automation, advanced segmentation, contact scoring, sales funnel. When you choose e-commerce marketing plan, you can pay $119. They can provide quick transactional email, e-commerce segmentation, abandoned cart recovery, promo code, product recommendation, or push notification. Guys, this plan is only 1000 contact. If you want, you can choose your email contact list, what your email contact list is need. If I want choose a 25,000 contact list, you can pay monthly $29 and automation option $69 and e-commerce marketing $139. Pricing option is very to your contact list. When you choose 1 year plan, you can easily save 18%. They can provide 18% discount. You can easily save your money. You can pay just $15 per month. Marketing automation pricing plan $48. E-commerce plan $97 you can pay. When you choose 2-year plan, you can easily save 30% money with GetResponse. They can provide email marketing option $13.03 and marketing automation option $41.03 and e-commerce marketing option $83.03. Also, you can compare all plans. You can easily check out what they can provide this 3 plan. So guys, I hope now you can easily understand, is GetResponse email marketing software good or bad for you. You can find this software link in my description box. Guys, I don't know when you are watching this video. In this 2023, GetResponse provide a discount. You can find this discount with my link. I always update my GetResponse email marketing link. In 2023, they can provide huge discount. If you are a new account owner, you can easily 10% lifetime discount with GetResponse. Purchase any plan through my link. Or if you are an old GetResponse user, you can easily 10% lifetime discount after upgrade your plan through my link. You can easily 26% discount. You can pay 1 year plan. If you easily 37% discount when you choose 2-year plan. I will add discount link in my description box. You can easily find this software and get a discount. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, leave a comment below. So bye guys.